My wife made a documentary about schools, in particular about finding happiness in education. And on that search we found Learnlife basically. And we ended up in a Zoom meeting during COVID. And then we said, okay, we're gonna move. Yeah, it just clicked. I don't know, sometimes an idea or a decision comes in a different package, as you say. Sometimes you have an idea and you ruminate on it, sometimes you know. It's not a decision, it's basically, it clicked somewhere, and that happened in that moment. And then reflecting on coming here, that's the best thing we could have ever done. Like 99% of the people go into the normal system. I think the best chances of raising a successful child and going up into a world that's going to be super difficult has more chance on the 1% side. Thinking differently and being well prepared, learning their whole life basically, and being very agile with things to come.